Bad spark plugs wires symptoms and how to fix. The high-tension lead, sometimes referred to as spark plug wires or ignition cables, is a part of the ignition system. Hello viewers, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Auto Vehicle Fix. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Some passenger cars and trucks still utilize spark plug wires, although the majority of modern vehicles are equipped with ignition coils. The ignition system produces sparks at regular intervals to ignite the air, fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The primary function of the spark plug wire is to provide a spark to the spark plugs from the ignition coil or distributor. The low resistance and durable construction of spark plug wires allow them to handle the high voltage of the ignition system and the harsh conditions found under the hood, as they transmit the spark necessary for the engine to operate. If they are unable to do so, it will have a negative impact on the engine's performance. By being aware of the signs of damaged spark plug wires, how to test them, and how to repair them, you can save a lot of money. 1. Check engine light. The check engine light is one of the first indicators that your spark plug wires may be malfunctioning. This could be caused by a number of issues, so it's important to have your vehicle checked by a professional to determine the problem. This is to prevent the check engine light from coming on, which could be caused by faulty spark plug wires, leading to misfiring and poor air-fuel mixing. 2. Visible wire damage. It's necessary to replace spark plug wires if you notice any visible damage, such as cracks, fraying, or burns. This not only serves as a visual indication that they should be replaced, but it could also cause electrical issues that affect performance and cause engine misfires. It's best to identify this problem quickly and replace the wires before they cause further damage. 3. Car won't start. This is by far the most obvious sign. If your vehicle won't start or stops running after starting, the ignition system is likely malfunctioning. Be sure to check for damaged spark plug wires. The engine may be difficult or impossible to start if the spark plugs are fouled or the wires are broken, which can prevent the spark plugs from firing properly. Check the condition of your spark plug wires if your car won't start. 4. Reduced fuel economy. Poor spark plug wires can also lead to reduced fuel economy. This is because the engine won't misfire, which would waste fuel and decrease efficiency. In addition, a finely tuned engine cycle provides the best fuel economy. There are various ways in which improper spark plug firing can disrupt the entire combustion process. For example, it can affect the timing of the engine cycle and result in insufficient fuel combustion. In any case, gas mileage will suffer. Therefore, if you've noticed a sudden decrease in your car's gas mileage, it could be due to damaged spark plug wires. 5. Harsh engine idling. A rough engine idle is another sign of faulty spark plug wires. Several factors, including faulty spark plug wires, can cause a rough engine idle. Rough idling can be caused by spark plug wires that are too old or damaged to provide the necessary spark to the plugs. The engine may seem to be running rough or unevenly when idling. The engine may vibrate or shake, and it may also make strange noises. 6. Fouled spark plugs. If you notice that your spark plugs are dirty, it's likely that your spark plug wires are to blame. One of the potential causes of clogged spark plugs is that the spark plug wires are not providing enough power to the spark plugs. This can result in the plugs firing inconsistently or not at all, which can cause deposits to accumulate on the plugs. 7. Power surges. Power surges are another sign of damaged spark plug wires. An increase in the engine's power output above what is normal for that particular engine is known as an engine power surge. Broken spark plug wires are one of the many potential causes of an engine power surge. Other possible causes of engine power surges include compression issues, faulty fuel injectors, and dirty air filters. The engine may misfire if the spark plug wires are not providing enough voltage, which could result in a power surge. That's it for today. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more interesting facts about your vehicle.